Keeping your home safe in every season can be challenging. Many outdoor cameras fail during heavy rain, harsh sunlight, or cold weather, leaving homeowners unprotected. That's why finding a durable and reliable option is so important. In this video, he reviews the best outdoor security camera for all-weather protection, designed to deliver clear monitoring day and night. With strong build quality and smart features, this camera solves the biggest problems of outdoor security and keeps your home protected year-round. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Vstarcam CB54 Security Camera. The Vstarcam CB54 2K solar security camera is designed for users who need strong protection with simple installation. It delivers clear 3 megapixel resolution, making every detail visible both day and night. With a wide 110-degree viewing angle and a 4mm lens, it easily covers larger areas around the home or office. Additionally, the camera includes advanced human detection and a PIR motion alarm. This ensures accurate alerts, while the color night vision provides brighter, more realistic nighttime footage. Even in low light conditions, it performs well with its 0.8 lux sensitivity. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery and a 5W solar panel, the CB54 works wirelessly and efficiently. The IP66 waterproof rating allows it to withstand rain, dust, and heat. With two-way audio, cloud storage support, and flexible 360-degree pan-tilt coverage, this security camera becomes an affordable and reliable choice for beginners seeking everyday outdoor security. Number 4. MOES S26 Security Camera. The MOES S26 Smart Solar Security Camera is built for users who want smarter home protection with simple control. It delivers sharp 4 megapixel resolution, ensuring clear and detailed video day and night. With its 2.8mm wide lens, it captures a broad view, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Moreover, the camera supports Wi-Fi 2.4 5GHz dual-band connectivity. This offers a stable and flexible network connection. It also works seamlessly with the Tuya app, Alexa, and Google Home, making remote monitoring effortless. Users can check live footage anytime with quick access. Additionally, the S26 comes with a powerful 6000 mAh rechargeable battery and solar power support. This allows long-term, wire-free operation. The IP65 waterproof design ensures reliable performance in rain or heat. With H.265 compression, local alarms, and easy installation, this camera becomes a strong, affordable choice for everyday smart home security. Number 3. XVIM 1150 TYN 2PK Security Camera. The XVIM 1150 TYN 2PK solar security camera offers a smart and energy-efficient way to secure any property. It comes with 4 megapixel high-definition quality and a wide 120-degree viewing angle, allowing users to capture more details with fewer blind spots. Because it includes a built-in 4800 mAh battery and a 5W solar panel, the camera stays charged automatically. Moreover, this model features intelligent motion detection. It sends instant alerts through the HomeIE Pro app, helping users respond quickly. Its 12 MERD to IR night vision and full color capabilities ensure clear footage, even in low-light environments. The two-way audio also makes communication easy and fast. Additionally, the XVIM camera supports both cloud storage and a 128GB TF card. It works with Android, iOS, and multiple devices under one account. With an IP66 weatherproof rating, stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and flexible installation, it becomes a dependable outdoor security choice for homes and businesses. Number 2. Xiaomi MJSX-J0HL Security Camera. The Xiaomi MJSX-J0HL outdoor CW500 security camera offers advanced protection for any home. Featuring dual 4 megapixel lenses, it delivers crisp, high-definition footage with excellent clarity. The 2x optical zoom allows users to focus on specific areas for more detailed monitoring. Designed for outdoor use, the camera boasts an IP66 waterproof rating. It withstands rain, heat and cold, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. Full-color night vision provides clear images even in complete darkness, enhancing security around the clock. Equipped with AI detection, the CW500 accurately identifies motion, reducing false alerts. Its 5G Wi-Fi connectivity ensures fast and stable video streaming directly to smartphones or other smart devices. Compact and sleek, this Xiaomi Dome camera is easy to install. It combines smart home integration, durability, and high-quality imaging for dependable security. Number 1. DUREVIN IP Security Camera. The DUREVIN 8K 8x Zoom IP camera is a powerful security solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with 4 8mm lenses, it delivers ultra-clear 8K video with an 85-degree viewing angle. The 8x digital zoom ensures precise monitoring of key areas. Built to last, this dome camera has an IP66 waterproof rating and a durable plastic shell. Full-color night vision and up to 30 meters IR distance provide clear footage even in complete darkness. AI human detection enhances security by accurately identifying movement and reducing false alerts. The camera supports two-way audio, allowing real-time communication. It works with the ICZ app, 2.4G Wi-Fi and LAN connections. Storage is flexible with a 128GB TF card or cloud options. With multiple screens supporting face recognition, this DUREVIN camera combines advanced features, reliability, and high-performance surveillance for smart homes and businesses.
There was